Let me tell you people why I stopped eating kenki. Another story. My dad used to sing this song, Komikelo, Komikelo, right? So that was the song that he was singing to me when I was little. He sings that when he noticed I'm not eating the kenki. He'd be like, hey, they're putting some in my mouth, then I'll eat. And then it got to a certain point, he stopped singing. So if anybody asks me that, why am I not eating kenki again, even though I grew up in a kenki house, my dad's side, there they sell kenki there. In this house too, they sell kenki here. But me, I don't eat kenki. So this is my mom's house. But then because of marriage and she's there. And me, I've left them. I left them like about 10 years ago. Yeah, that was like 2016. So yeah. So that's it.